In recent years, we have installed 2 small geothermal projects here at Queen's. The most recent project is probably the project where I've learned most about geothermal. Here at Riddle Hall Business School, where we're using shallow geothermal. It's a closed loop system, which is using a heat pump to take heat from the ground as the prime source of heat for our building. As a university, we've been looking at carbon management and how we can build our buildings more sustainable for some time now. It's an important part of our journey to net zero. Conscious of the climate crisis we're in, we felt that geothermal was the best match for this project. The main benefit that we will see from this will be the decrease in carbon emissions. Another important benefit that we've had is the collaboration we've had with our academics on this, where they've been able to see a live geothermal project in situ with the 40 boreholes and seen it from the design stage right through now to implementation and usage. Personally, it was this project that really opened my eyes to the opportunities here in Belfast and in Northern Ireland to geothermal. I think that needs to be widened out to a much wider audience. The geology that we're standing on, the Sherwood sandstone, offers so much opportunity for Belfast and beyond.